Emma, what are you gonna make for us? What is that? Oh! Open the next packet. Oh, is it yummy? All done. All gone. Yeah, all gone. Okay. Use your spoon. Yep, use your spoon. Mmm, delicious. All gone. Can I see your necklace? Emma, can I see your beautiful necklace?
Yeah.
Can I see your necklace? That's gorgeous. That's so pretty, Emma. Oh, pretty. Can I wear it? Can I wear it, please? Hmm?